Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to enable and disable NIC using nmtui command in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So first let me go to the terminal, login as a root user. So I am typing the IP address. So here you can see that ENS160 is a network interface. It's up and running with the IP4 and IP6 IP addresses. So now I am going to disable this. So nmtui I have started, activate the connection. So here you can see deactivate is there. Just select deactivate. That's it. Come back. Quit. So once again type IP address. Yes. So here you can see that ENS160 network interface is disabled now. It's disabled temporarily, so which means that it does not show any IP version 4 or IP6 addresses. So let me type if config. So if config also does not show any IP addresses. So it will disable. Now once again I am going to activate the connection. Just activate. That's it. Come back. Quit. That's it. Type IP address now. Yes. So now network interface is up and running with IP version 4 and IP version 6 IP addresses. So if config also is showing the IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. So this is how we can enable and disable the NIC using nmtui command in Oracle Linux 8 operating system.